Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing well today. It's Dr. Amy coming to you for your lunchtime inspiring moment. I just wanted to say I hope you are doing well and your day is going well. And I just want to drop a little gem for you. Today, I just want to remind everybody that we all have to develop a strong faith. So developing faith, I want you to add that to your personal development plan. When I think about faith, I just think about how we get into a car, right? We get into our cars every day and we have the faith that this thing is going to take us from point A to point B as we drive on the highways and byways with traffic and everything else. So we need to develop that type of faith when we are desiring something big, right? Faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. So think about it. We get into our car and we're driving at night, right? And faith is driving in that car where that light can only help us to see maybe 100, 200 feet above, but yet we keep driving, right? So when it comes to reaching your goals and doing the things in life, we have to have that type of faith. Faith causes us to know in our heart before we see it with our eyes. All right. So that's the little gem that I want to say to you today. Let's develop a strong faith that we're going to reach the things that we truly desire in life. And then after we pray about it, we're going to wait with expectancy that these things are going to come to fruition. But I was reading a chapter in my book, The Prescription to Reach Abundant Success. And I just wanted to share one thing I have in here. How do you develop faith? For those who have my book, this is chapter 13. I wrote a whole chapter on developing faith as a part of your journey to success. So when we're looking at developing faith, it's so important to begin by developing trust, a strong trust in a higher being. Then you need to let it be known what your desires are through prayer, right? And through prayer, ask God, ask for what you are desiring. Decide specifically on what you want. Visualize that thing in your mind. Visualize it as if it is already real. And then start to be grateful for it coming, right? That is so strong. You start to thank God and thank your higher being for what you know is going to come because you have such a strong faith that it's going to happen. Another thing that I have here in the book is, to remind everybody that even when we have a strong faith, we have to put action behind it. Faith without works is dead. So we have to have faith. We have to ask God for what we want, but we have to put action behind it every day to achieve that. So that's my message for you today, to develop faith on your journey to success. So let's get to it, get with it, and get done. Hi, Diane Green. Thank you so much for joining me live. Thank you. So let's get it done. If there's anything that I can help you with on your journey to success, please let me know. Remember, I am here to help you. I can help you reset your mindset, develop your skill set, and help you to reach all of the goals and desires that are inside your heart. I'm Dr. Amy, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.